everyone, welcome back to my channel The Learning Junction. I'm your educator Sakshi Sharma, and in this video we are going to start with a new topic, that is articles. Articles are of three types, right? There are three articles, a, and the, right? But in this video I'm going to discuss about the first two articles, that is a and an. Most of the students are confused between these two, that is how and when to use them. So first of all, let me clear you, these both are used when the noun is given singular. They are used for singular, right? And how can we detect that when to use a and when to use an? That solely depends upon the sound of the word it has been put forward to. As in, we all know there are 5 vowels, right? And rest are consonants, right? These 5 vowels are a, e, I, o, u, and the rest letters are consonants. So how we going to use a and n? So a is always used before the word that starts with a consonant sound. Mind you, you don't have to look at the spelling. You don't have to look at the spelling. You just have to see whether the sound of the first letter is consonant or vowel. So in this case, its sound should be consonant. And in case of n, the sound should be of vowel. Right? For example, a tree. A tree. Tree. The sound here is t, right? And this is a consonant sound. A university. University. Right. Now look here, it is starting with a letter vowel. But when we pronounce it, it says university. University. U. Okay. While the sound of U is in proper phonics is a. Umbrella. Right. It sounds with umbrella. So we are using a here instead of using an. Now let's discuss about how and when to use a and n by watching the more example. Okay. Now look here. The first word is R. It's starting with a consonant H, but its pronunciation is R. We can hear a sound. So what we will use? An R. Right. The next is hot pen. Hot pen. The first sound is h. That means it is a consonant. Consonant sound, then we will use a. Then comes ink pot. So here the first letter is vowel. Along with that, pronunciation, as we pronounce it, it is also vowel. So we will use n. Then bag. Bag. B sound. B means it's a consonant sound. So we will use a bag. River. River. It's a consonant. It's starting with a consonant and the sound is also consonant. So we will use a river. Then school. School. The sound here is consonant. So Then how we will pronounce it? MLA. MLA. M. That means am sound. Right. So it's starting with vowel sound. So we will put an MLA. Now 1 rupees note. 1 rupee note. Okay. It is starting with a vowel, that is O, but the pronunciation here will be V. Right. So we will here write a 1 rupee note. A 1 rupee note. Next is dash honest man. The word here starts with H, but the pronunciation starts with vowel sound, that is O. Honest man. So we will put an honest man. Then comes umbrella. Umbrella, right. It also starts with M sound, right. A sound. So we will put an umbrella, right. Then comes kite. Here's the first word is also consonant. Along with that, the sound is also consonant. So we will put a kite. Then comes van. V. The sound here is V. So it will come a van. Then pencil. The first letter here is a consonant and the sound is also a consonant. So a pencil. Then comes cap. So the letter starts with, so the first letter is consonant, along with that sound is also consonant. So we will use a cap. I hope that you will find this video useful and it must be quite helpful for you. Now the difference between a and an would be a little bit more clear to you. Thanks for watching.